On the trail, how do you feel?
I feel great.
How many miles have we done?
Excellent. Excellente.
Any?
The toilets.
Been watching you on the way up the hill.
Out there, yeah. Dining.
Girls with a beard are coming.
It's time for the rooster. Come on, Mitch.
Come on.
Lift it.
Come on, Mitch.
There we go.
Oh, just go and do that little bit there.
That's it. Ready to go.
We made it. That's it. Oh, this is my mountain. Plenty more where that came from.
A lot of deep breathing there, Mitch. Coca leaves helped.
I've got some more. Here it is. Oh, Sarah.
Oh.
Yay!
What do you got to say, babe?
What are you going to say for the camera? Final word. I think I've lost some weight on that hill.
How did you find it?
I found it uphill with lots of steps.
Shouldn't Mitch drink it? He carried it.
That's my boy.
Oh yeah,
That's
baby.
my boy.
How did that feel?
Oh. Yeah,
good?
fuck yeah.
10th of August 2008, day 3 of the Inca Trail, and it's nearly there. We're about 5 hours walk from Picchu, one of them, and been a bit foggy today, day 3. A lot of steps coming down, a lot of fog. This is a campsite as we stop for lunch, and it's the cooking tent there, and there's more. Mitch is probably in that tent, gabbing away with Susanna.
3,500 meters above the sea, and we're hunting puma. I heard one earlier. It sounded a little like.
The condition, special, just vegetation.
To work for the agriculture.
Agriculture. So what was the purpose of this place? Basically,
Yep, Susanna, you got the backdrop.
I'm not so sure about not having shower again, but definitely the best holiday ever. Can you see how beautiful that is? Machu Picchu. Over there behind that hill.
And it's been a brilliant holiday this. It's not the end, it's only a third of the way through, but it's looking good so far.
Oh, geez, you're right. Jesus, titty fucking.
It just keeps going and going.
Crystal.
It's
Here in the mountains of Peru, we like nothing but the best. Nothing but the all-natural feeling of nature. And what goes better with nature than a Cusquina beer? Here it comes.
waiting on the sand gate. Because if you would wait on the sand gate, that small peak covers next to mine.
Bang.
Another one by not smiling, please. Mitch. Mike, can you get one of me from up there?
This is a video.
this video.
I'm gonna go and kiss a Dalai Lama.
Dalai Lama.
Like any other human.
Oh really? This is the best thing I've ever seen. Yeah, me too.